MyMap AI is a platform that allows you to turn ideas into diagrams using AI. Now, I think it's really important the sort of way you consume information, and flowcharts, mind maps, and presentations are often a great way to visualize information as you're beginning to digest it. So we're going to dive right in here. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So what makes MyMap different? They're saying it's AI native. You can have multiple formats. It has web search functionalities and internet access. You can also collaborate, share, and export your maps with others. Cool, so this kind of platform seems ideal for students, researchers, professionals, and content creators. And we're gonna dive right in here and see exactly how we can make the most of this. Cool, so after a basic onboarding, we're presented with this screen that allows us to start mapping out ideas. I'm gonna click Create Mind Map. Okay, so you are a map master. Help me to create a mind map based on the topic I'm going to give you. Okay, great. Now, I think this is really cool. The fact that you have one-click prompts that can actually give the large language model a character. That's one of the best ways to begin prompting, because apparently these large language models want to be human, which is kind of creepy, but also means they function best when you actually give them a character, role, or profession. So what I'm going to say here is I want you to create a mind map that explains the functionalities of the future tools or future AI tools that will be used in content creation, researching, and automating tasks. Okay, cool. Here we go. As you can see, it started creating a mind map, which looks pretty cool. I'm going to dive right into this here. A glimpse into AI technologies shaping content creation, research, and automation. Cool, so we've got it here. Perfect. This is exactly how I was thinking about this. So we've got data mining, credibility validation, and trend analysis. Wow, that's really cool. That's broken that down very nicely. And then automating tasks, we've got workflow automation, task scheduling, and reporting and analytics. Okay, great. Yeah, this is pretty cool. And you can also click this button to add any files or images and keep writing some follow-up prompts. Now, I think this is a really cool platform. You can customize how the mind map is laid out, as you can see, and you can also select the specific kind of flowchart or mind map that you want to create. So I definitely recommend giving this a go. It seems pretty cool, and like I said at the start, visualizing information correctly is one of the best ways to make sure it actually sinks in and you can actually remember it. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.